Welcome back to Garage Matters. Today we'll be replacing the backlighting on this dashboard. With the lights turned on, you barely see it come on, so we're gonna go ahead and replace these dash lights. Now I can't get the camera angle in here while I'm working, but there's 2 screws up here that'll need to come off. This trim piece right here, it'll also come off as well. All you gotta do is just pop it off. And with these 2 screws removed, we'll go ahead and take this trim piece off. This trim piece, all you gotta do is just pop it out. Set it to the side. Now to get the rest of this trim piece off, there's 2 screws on both sides. One right here. The other one's right here. So once you take these 2 screws off, it'll be able to come out. Now with those 2 screws removed, we can go ahead and take this trim piece off. Now we gotta get the instrument cluster out. In order to do that, there's 4 screws holding it in. One down here, one up here, the other one's up here, and then one down here. Lower right corner. Once you have those 4 screws removed, just go ahead and slightly pull this instrument cluster on out. Now it is connected to some electrical wires in the back, so you want to be careful not to pull it out too fast, or else you might damage the electrical wiring. We're just gonna slowly take it out. Now this make it easier if you stick your hand back behind there and remove the harnesses first before you pull it out. With the instrument cluster removed, we're going to be taking out this socket and this socket right here and replacing both these bulbs with brand new ones. All you have to do is just turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. There's the old one. We're going to pull it off. And then put the new bulb back in. Here's a close-up of these 2 bulbs. On the left is the old, on the right is the new. On the left there's a little rubber covering on it to kind of give it that green tint. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off that rubber covering and put it on the new bulb to help give it that OEM green tint. Alright, once that's done, you just put it back in the socket and turn it clockwise. We'll do the same thing with this one over here. Now with the bolts in place, it's time for the reinstall. Reinstall is going to be reverse order. Make sure you put the plugs back in before you screw everything down. With everything put back together, we'll go ahead and turn the lights on to see if it works. It looks so much better and I can actually see now. Now let's go ahead and start it up to see if the gauges work. That's how you change the backlighting on your dashboard. Many vehicles are a similar process and it's really easy to do. So make sure you change those lights and don't drive in the dark. Join us next time on Garage Matters, and remember, hit the like and subscribe button.